Learn English through story with valuable lesson. The secrets to successes. Once a young man asked the wise man Socrates the secrets to successes. Socrates patiently listened to the man's question and told him to meet him near the river the following days for the answers. So next day, Socrates asked the young man to walk with him towards the river. As they went into the river, the water got up to their neck. But to the young man's surprise, Socrates ducked him into the river. The young man struggled to get out of the water, but Socrates was strong and kept him there until the boy started turning blue. Finally, Socrates pulled the young man's head out of the water. The young man gasped and took a deep breath of air. Socrates asked, "What did you want the most when your heart was in the water?" The young man replied, "Air." Socrates said, "That is the secret to successes. When you want successes as badly as you wanted the air while you were in the water, then you will get it. There is no the other secrets."